Ready, buddy? Let's roll! Have fun, friends! This is halving!
Welcome back to my channel. My name's Jim. Today I'm going to be doing my entry into the Group A-Body build, Mopar A-Body build for 2026. This is hosted by KRD Racing or Klein Racing, and also by, KDOGS Model Car House. KDOGS Model Car House. Two good channels. They're both big Mopar fans, which I am too. But this will actually be my first Mopar since coming back to modeling. I picked it's an A-body. I picked the 71 Duster. I just happened to have this kid coming when they came out with that build. So it worked out perfect. It's going to be a it's going to be a tubbed out unit, wide tire, and I'll bring you down and I'll show you basically what I'm going to be doing. Okay? Bring it to the overhead. By AMT 71 Duster, it's a 340 version, which is a nice car. Does come with a 6-pack option. Nice rallies. This kit comes with 112 parts. And let's open up and take a look at those 112 parts. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's take everything out. Glass I will not open. I'll leave it in the bag. First one is the hood, sway bar, torsion bar front, K-member, rear leaf springs. This is pretty nice. I will probably be putting a Pro Stock style hood scoop on it. If I don't have one, I'm going to have to get one. Some exhaust, there's a wing, steering wheel. Not bad. Not bad. There's the high back seats. Actually, they're pretty nice. Looks like some heater hoses. 6-pack air cleaner manifold and carburetors. Some wheel backs. Like a pretty nice kit. Dashboard comes with the pedals, 3 pedals. Firewall, radiator support, lower valance. It's a stock, looks like a 2-barrel manifold. Standard trans. There's another K member for up front. That's probably the other part of it, possibly. That's pretty cool. It's like just like it really is an engine cradle. There's the interior. Interior door panels are actually pretty nice. Nicely detailed. 2 scoops, back seat. If I was building a stocker, this would be a nice vehicle. Exhaust, rear diff, little was it 8 1/4. Let's open the body up. Hope this body's nicer than the Chevelle body I opened up for the drag and drive build. Here we go. So the chassis is only back halved. You have to add the K member and front suspension on. I will not be using this because I'm going to back half the car and tub it out. But that's okay. Body's not bad. Compared to that Chevelle body, boy, and the 55 Chevy I did before that, the Atlantis body, this ain't bad at all. I'm pretty excited about this. I've been wanting to build, I built a Duster back in 1970 when I was a kid. And I made it into a pro stocker. They didn't, you didn't have all the stuff that you have today. But it came out pretty good. I painted it like red and white, like Butch Leo's car. This one here, as of yet, I'm not sure paint-wise what I'm going to be doing on it. It may be a Butch Leo car. I don't know. Comes with 4 nice Goodyear polyglass tires. They're nice, nicely white lettered. Real nice tires. Let's open up the chrome tree, take a look at it. Chrome tree's not bad. Here's the rallies. Mopar exhaust tips. I remember when I had my 69 CUDA. I didn't have any kind of a, it was just a stock rear differential and springs and all at the time. And I slammed on the brakes one time and I must have hit a bump or something to stop from hitting somebody in front of me. And I got severe wheel hop and I ripped the exhaust right out of it. I remember the exhaust tips hanging down. Floor shifter. Cool grill, nice, real nice. So with that, I'm set this aside, and of course, from MCV, from Mike, here's the back half kit, which will be going in here. And as far as wheels and well, let's go. I've got 3 sets of wheels here. I've got some more. I have these. These Weld Race Star Pro Forge drag set, fronts and rears, nice wide. I also have these center lines with Mickey Thompson Sportsman's on it. They're actually nice too. And I also have these these are Weld Stars, nice wides with skinnies. They might be actually what goes on it. All these wheels are from MCV. Then last, I was going to put a Hemi in it. Everybody puts Hemis in them. And I'm putting a Hemi in my Chevelle. Laughs at me, but that's the way it is. I'm going to put this, which I got from MCV. It's a 440 with a tunnel ram and an auto trans. I didn't take a look at this. Let me see what this looks like. Hopefully it's impressive. Most of Mike's stuff is all good. There it is. Tunnel ram. Flat oil pan. It's got the Mopar fin valve covers. Headers. It's got 2 Carters or AFBs on it. That will not be going on it. I will be putting Holley carburetors on it. pretty cool. Blocks detailed real nice. Let me bring it up to the camera and get it in focus. Take a look at it. There you go. It's actually a nice piece. Like I said, I'm going to put a 440 in it. Everybody puts Hemis in it, and I don't want to put a 340 in it or anything like that. I want to put something a little wild. I'm going to keep it in automatic trans. That's cool. It's even got a converter for the trans. That's pretty cool. I like that. All right, and that's the unboxing of my entry into the group Mopar A-body build. But before we get started on this build runs from February 1st to October 1st. So I have plenty of time, and I won't be doing probably any this and the drag and drive build will be the only two I'll be doing right now. So these should be done in a month or so. And with that, I'm going to say goodbye. Take care. Happy modeling. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that bell. And I really enjoy the comments. I've been getting some good ones lately on the dual gasser build that I did. Or actually I'm doing it. I won't be revealing it probably till next week. But with that, I'm going to say adios. I'm out of here.